I knew it was a bad idea. We usually avoid the projects at all costs. The people are usually so desperate. Can you blame them? Rick had met some girl on Facebook that invited him to a party.
Hey, yo, Chris, that shit was crazy.
Open the car, fool.
Hold up. My bad, yo, my bad. Hold up. Yep.
God damn it.
Man, you know that shit ain't work since my brother car in 97. Fuck out of here, man.
Come on, man. Stop playing around. Fuck.
What? I'm gonna thank you?
What? No, for what?
For, I don't know, maybe opening the door for you? Inviting you to a party?
That party was trash, yo. Fucking bird bitches everywhere. Cheap ass speakers. Fucking dirty ass liquor. Paul Masson. I've never even heard of that shit. And then the cops came? Man, fuck that party, yo. Opening the door for me. This is the hottest hood in America, and you cool be standing outside the car like a fucking delinquent. Some brother I got.
Dude, the only reason why you're standing outside the whip is because you ran out like a little bitch when the cops showed up. And as for the delinquent part, I mean, shit. It's just what you look like.
Man, fuck you, man. All I know is when the cops show up, I run the other way first, figure shit out second.
I mean, what's the problem with standing outside anyway? I mean, I thought you sold out.
Nah, man. I don't sell my personal shit. Some new shit you ain't tried yet.
I'm not.
So what's good with that girl in there? You fucked her or what?
That's none of your business, little boy.
So you didn't fuck her? She takes your blunt out of your hands, leads you to a room, locks the door, and you didn't fuck her. Man, you get it.
Alright, man. Yeah, I fucked her. You see? I ain't gay.
Thank the Lord. I'm starting to get nervous for you, son. So I guess it turned out to be a pretty aight night, huh? You got some playtime, I got some bread. Where we lighting up at?
Man, I don't know, man. Just now, this girl got me stressing.
Why? What, you think she gonna break your heart already or something? Man, you gotta stop listening to R&B.
No, asshole. It's just my Jimmy, yo. I think it fell off.
What?
My Jimmy hat, yo.
What?
Shit fell off, man. I think it fell off.
That was the first time I was ever arrested. At least I got someone that has my back. I don't know how he did it, but Rick got me out.
Oh, hey, what's up, man? How was your night, kid?
I had to use my sneakers as pillows. That was something, though.
Damn. That sucks. Hey, yo, let's just go home.
Yeah. Didn't you tell me you were worried about something last night?
Yeah, trying to get your ass out of bookings.
Nah, I was straight, man. I was in there making the meanest face I could, like, make sure nobody wanted to fuck with me.
Man, calm down. You were just in bookings.
Yeah. I guess you're right. Turns out everybody was in there for weed some way or another.
Yeah, figured that much.
Nah, but for real though, what were you worried about last night?
Don't worry about it now, man.
Nah. You was shook. And that was even before the cops stopped us.
My condom fell off last night. That's it. But you see, I talked to Shorty, and she's on the pill, so it's all good.
You called her, right?
Nah, she was here.
You brought her to the crib?
Yeah.
To our crib?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you? Now she knows where we live.
Hey, take it easy, man. What's the matter with you?
She's fucking crazy, bro.
How do you know that? You didn't even get a chance to meet her last night.
I know because I know. While y'all two were doing your little thing, I got to know some of her friends.
So?
They're crazy too.
So what? You weren't saying anything when you were making money off of them.
But you're supposed to make money off of crazy people, Rick. That you're never gonna see again. All that went to shit, now you brought it to the crib. I mean, shit. It's not like you had to be responsible or anything if you're gonna get a bitch from the projects pregnant. Could have just deleted your Facebook, blocked her on Instagram. I mean, shit, block her everywhere.
I can't believe this. So you spent one night at bookings, and all of a sudden you're a cold motherfucker, huh?
No, Rick. I'm just trying to keep you from dealing with shit you don't have to deal with.
Shit. Yo, don't worry about me, alright?
If I don't worry about you, Rick, who will? I'm all you got. Holy shit. Just get the fuck out of me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just waiting on you since we're both going to the same place.
I know you were fucking crazy.
Why? Just because I have to talk to your brother about something?
Look, he's better off without you. I'm sure he doesn't want to talk to you.
Shit, and you think I want to talk to him? I've been leaving him messages trying to get him to talk to me. But now, I'm just here to make sure we don't have to speak again after this.
Yeah, I heard your messages, alright? He's not even here right now, so I'm sorry you wasted your time. Time to go back home.
And when's he supposed to be back?
I don't know. He's a busy guy. He could be doing anything.
Fine. I'll just wait on him.
You can wait all you want. You know, last time he went to take a shit, I swear I didn't see him for like 3 days.
Yo, bro. Yo, you gotta hit this shit, man. Yo, I was going to shit, got my arms falling off, son. Oh, shit. Hey, Rach. Look, I swear I was gonna call you, but my schedule and all.
Save it. I just need to break some news to you, sweetheart. I'm pregnant.
What? I thought you wanted the pill.
I am. But I guess you fell into that lucky 1% chance of knocking me out.
So what do you want to do?
What do I want to do? Well, I want to be with someone who's there for me, not you. Unfortunately, for both of us, this is your child. And to be quite honest, I wouldn't want to bring anyone in this world if they're anything like you. So here's the plan, Guy. You're gonna pay for my abortion since my insurance isn't covered anymore. It's $5,000 and I need that in the next 2 weeks.
Shit, is it really $10,000? Because I know I'm not paying for the whole damn thing.
It's $5,000 and you are paying for the whole damn thing.
No way. You're paying at least half.
Well, I could just go to the cops and tell them that you raped me the night of the party, which is why you and your brother ran out so fast.
They'd ask you what took you so long to report it.
And I could just say that your brother threatened to beat me up if I went to the police.
Crazy bitch, man. I told you. Crazy fucking bitch.
So, let me know what you think about this deal. Okay, hon? I'll be in touch.
That's basically where everything went to hell. It was never the same after that. Rick was never the same after that. He started smoking cigarettes. He even cut his hair. This crazy bitch put us in a corner. We needed to come up with 5 G's in 2 weeks. Luckily for Rick, getting money was my specialty. You know, I met some guy when I was in bookings. So, what do you mean so? Shut the fuck up and let me finish, damn. Shit. Well, I was gonna say, he got bagged for smoking in some park. We were bullshitting all night, talking about how bud laws are a joke nowadays and shit. This guy was official though. Like, he had a 3-piece suit on, Louis Vuitton loafers. He had the whole 9. Dude looked like a straight up kingpin.
Probably was a kingpin.
He was a kingpin. And why do I tell you this, you may wonder? Well, it turned out the guy really liked me. So, what is it with this guy? Do I have to draw you a picture? This top of the food chain guy liked me. It means he could front us to work to put on the strip.
No way, man. You said work. That means it's not just weed.
Of course not, stupid. We money doesn't get you 5 G's in 2 weeks. If you want money you've never had before, you're gonna need to do things you've never done before. He gave me his contact info before I left. Still have his card. Here. I don't know how I always got Rick to see things my way. I mean, it's not supposed to be like that. Like, how was I supposed to know he would really go through with it?
So how'd it go?
Nice cut.
So how did it go?
Just as planned.
Alright. Let's talk some numbers then.
Alright. He said he could put up a quarter bird.
So how much is that?
Basically 50 G's.
Holy shit. Chris, what the hell? Why did you take so much from him? We only needed 5.
Because it was either that or take out 200,000. Then we'd really be in some Scarface shit. Look, all he says he wants back is 42. We get back 8. And we're more than covered. All we have to do is get a small Ziploc bag from my hands to someone else, get the money, get the crazy bitch the abortion, and get her out of our lives. That's it.
So, where the hell are we gonna find somebody to give us $50,000 for that small bag?
See, I was thinking the same thing. So I asked someone who could give me an answer, and I got someone.
Back to where it all started, huh?
Yep. Full circle now.
So when we're gonna start heading back home?
We'll be back home in like 20 minutes tops. Okay. I just got the text. Should be waiting for a little Cuban guy. Said between the 5th and 6th floor. C staircase. Yeah.
Why I gotta go? You know about this lifestyle? Why don't you take it?
They get the crazy bitch pregnant.
Fine, I'll do it. 5th and 6th floor, C staircase, right?
Yeah. Hurry up.
Rest in peace, real facts. We don't talk bullshit. You slapped me one time tonight. I'm gonna do it.
Yo, what's good? There he was, laying on the floor, pool of blood circling around him. I don't know exactly what happened, but my brother was dead. No cash, no drugs on him. I screamed out into the hallways for help. It was like everyone had suddenly gone deaf. So what am I supposed to do now? My brother's dead, and I'm on the hook, drug dealer's hook, for $50,000. Either way, I'm a dead man. It's been a crazy 2 weeks. I'll get it.
Hey, Ricky. So, it's been 2 weeks exactly. Hope you got what I needed you to get a lesson learned. Okay, look, I have felt bad, honestly. But you fucked me one night, asked me if I'm on the pill, and that's it? Never talk to me again? Well, I'm not pregnant, Ricky. I just wanted to hurt you like you hurt me. Now that we're even, I just want to say I really did like you. Give me a call. I hope we can be friends after this. Bye.